Hi guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Many people ask me how to read fast after watching my other video. Great question. Reading fast is the key to get a high score. The main reason that I got a low score at first was I didn't finish all the reading passages. So I will share my specific tips on how to read and answer questions fast today. And these tips will be helpful even when you are in college. Let's get started. First is to adjust your reading habit. TOEFL tells you where in the passage you can find answers. No need to read the whole passage or paragraphs. Focus on keywords like nouns and verbs from questions. For example, sentences from sentence questions are usually long like this. The keywords are radio, foundation, current mass culture, enabled companies, reach broader audience. The sentence becomes shorter if you only read these keywords. Then find these keywords or their synonyms or similar phrases in the passage. Don't read word by word. Scan through the paragraph by chunks of words. Try to use your pen to guide your eye movement. Move your pen quickly to get your eyes moved fast. I still use this method since there are many readings in the MBA program. Remember to get familiar with each question type. No need to read every single word in questions since the question structures are similar. For example, if you see a bold word in a question, it's probably a vocabulary or reference question. Or you could figure out what types of questions by looking at their answers, like this one. These sentences look similar. It must be a sentence question. Give yourself different answering time for different questions. Answer quickly for direct questions like vocabulary questions. This will save you much time for other complex questions like summary questions and detailed questions. I sorted out 7 types of reading questions and there are traits for you to identify them at the first sight. Go check my videos later. Next is to figure out strategies for solving each type of question. For vocabulary or sentence questions, you could figure out answers without understanding details or reading passages. So no need to go back to read passages. Or you can identify wrong answers according to the previous questions for summary questions. I'm making videos about specific tips and strategies for each type of question. My tips will summarize from my preparation and personal experiences. You could also create your own methods to solve problems like me. The final goal is to find out the methods that are most suitable for you to answer questions quickly. Don't forget to find out your strengths and weaknesses for different questions and reading topics. For example, plug-in questions were not my best, so I practiced the same plug-in questions over and over for 2 days. I analyzed the reasons why I got them wrong and figured out the strategies to solve them. You could practice just like me. This method could be applied to reading topics. Practice more on the topics that you may not be familiar with, like astronomy or biology. Make an educated guess if you don't know how to solve a problem or you are running out of time. Don't get stuck there. Educated guessing is likely to lead you to the correct answers. It's based on your previous knowledge and intuition in English. I usually develop this ability by not doing double check. You don't have time to hesitate, so use your intuition to answer questions in the exam. Practice as you are doing the actual test. Give yourself only 18 minutes or even shorter to finish one reading passage. I forced myself to finish in 16 minutes per passage. You will need to put yourself under time pressure. Set an alarm for each practice. At first, you can set more than 18 minutes. Adjust time step by step according to your progress. Remember, stop when time is out. Make an educated guess on the unfinished questions, then review these problems later. Hope you have a chance to practice what I share with you today. Please subscribe and share my videos. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See ya.